Good day, my friend. Do you know what this is? This is a detergent to clean your clothes or to wash your floor. And it's absolutely free. Let me show you how to do it. What we will need for detergent? Ashes, nothing more. So I'm very lucky because I live in the countryside, and to heat up my house I use a fireplace. So every day I've got an abundance of ashes. If you live in a flat, it's a bit more difficult, of course, but highly likely you will know someone that heat up his house with a fireplace, or if you do a barbecue, stuff like that. Anyway, there are plenty of ways to get ashes. Okay, so this is in its raw state, so we'll have to filter that. So I will use something like this that we use in a kitchen, and something to grab my ashes, and we're gonna filter that. Now all the debris we're gonna remove, and we're gonna place it apart. You can put it as well on your garden because it's very good for the plants. Look how easy it is to filter all this. I've got my ashes more or less clean, that's great. Here, what I will throw on the garden, and here I've got some more to clean up. Obviously, when you do that on the outside. It's best because of the ashes going all over the place. If you don't want your house to be absolutely filthy, then outside is best. So now let's prepare the detergent. I will prepare 5 liters of detergent. So this is the amount of ashes I will use. More or less, it's about 150 grams per liter. Okay, so all I have to do now is to pour the water inside, and that will be done like so. You see, and once it's done, you will stir from time to time, and in 2 days our detergent will be ready. It looks very dirty right now, but you will see after it will be perfect. That's it. After a couple of hours, that's what you will have. You see the ashes start to drop at the bottom. From time to time it's necessary to mix it. And then I will leave it like that after to rest for 2 days. The water I've used is rainwater, but you can use any type of water, river water, rainwater, tap water, whatever you want. 2 days have passed, and our detergent is now ready. So if you place your fingers inside, you will notice that it's like soap, kind of. Okay, so what we'll have to do now is to pour this in any container that you've got, so I will use something like that. I will place a cloth on it, okay, and this basically will stop any ashes that will go into it. My detergent is seeping through, that's great, but from time to time we'll have to empty the cloth because we'll have some ashes inside, and when we'll empty it, we'll have something like this. Okay, so that paste you can put in your garden, or you can use your kitchen pans as well if you want, and you'll see that's very good. So nothing is wasted. So the detergent is now ready, and if you want, you can as well add a little bit of essential oil. The only problem is this doesn't mix with water. So what you'll have to do, you'll first dilute a little bit of oil in vinegar, and then add it to the detergent, and that will be it. So I hope that you have liked the video. I hope it's useful to you. Stay tuned, and we'll see each other in the next one. Take care.